Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Dead by Daylight initialization error on Xbox consoles. So if you're getting this error, initialization error, the game has initialized incorrectly and may not save your game properly. Restarting your game may resolve the problem. So if you're getting this error in Xbox console, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Dead by Daylight server status. You can go to this Down Detector website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Down Detector website, and here you can see Dead by Daylight, I'll provide this link on my video description. You can see user reports show problem with Dead by Daylight. Scroll down, you can see the graph from the last 5 to 6 hours. Many users are facing this problem. So if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You will just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. Now, if the server status is online, but if still you are getting this error, then here follow the fixes. First fix is to close the game and restart your Xbox console. So simply close the game, then restart your Xbox console. Simply unplug all the wires from your Xbox console. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then plug in all the wires, restart your console, and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to clear the alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address, and then click on clear and then restart. This will restart your Xbox console, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to switch network connection. If you're using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If you're using a Wi-Fi, then try connecting to Mobile Hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or Mobile Hotspot network and check. Fix 4 is to reset console without deleting games and apps. So go to Xbox settings, then go to system and then click on console info. Click on this console info. Then click on reset console. So click on this reset console. Then click on reset and keep my games and apps. So click on this reset and keep my games and apps, and then follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Xbox console, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if error is fixed or not. But basically this error generally occurs when the Dead by Daylight server is down or having any kind of outages. So you kindly wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Dead by Daylight initialization error on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.